Welcome to Science Store online classes.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Next problems under linear inequalities, third one. Okay, see here you have 3 into x minus 1 less than or equal to 2 into x minus 3. How to solve like these inequalities? Here you can see brackets. If you have a brackets, you have to open that brackets, okay, by multiplying outside number into inside the bracket. Now you have to multiply 3 inside the bracket, means 3 you have to multiply to x as well as minus 1. So what you have, 3 into x, okay, 3x, 3 into minus 1, that is minus 3, then less than or equal to, then you have to multiply 2 here, outside you have to, that you have to multiply inside the bracket. You have to multiply to x as well as for minus 3. So 2 into x, you will get 2x, 2 into minus 3, you will get minus 6. After that, you have to see which side x term is larger. To that side, you have to shift all x terms, and to another side, you have to shift all numbers. Okay. So now 3x and 2x. In that 3x is larger, right? So to the left side, you have to shift all x terms. So already 3x is there on the left, and we are shifting this plus 2x this side as a minus 2x. And inequality symbol you have to write same, less than or equal to, and after inequality symbol what we have here, minus 6 that we not shifted to any side, that is already there on the right side, so as it is you have to write. Okay, then this minus 3 you have to shift to the right side, all numbers you have to shift it to the right side, because left side we shifted x terms. Okay, so minus 6, with that you have to write minus 3 this side as plus 3. Now you simplify both the sides. You have like terms on the left side and numbers on the right side. 3x minus 2x, that is 1x, means we are writing that as x less than or equal to minus 6 plus 3. What is minus 6 plus 3? That is minus 3. Now x is less than or equal to minus 3. You have to write real number solutions. If they don't mention, just solve the inequality, means you have to write a real number solutions for this inequality. Okay, so now x less than or equal to minus 3 means how you have to write. Since 0 you have, then you have minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, like this you have minus 2, minus 1, less than or equal to minus 3 means to the left side of minus 3. Okay, to the left side of minus 3, if you take any number, any real number, that will be the solution of this inequality. Okay, less than minus 3 as well as equal to minus 3, that real numbers will be the solution of that inequality. But we can't write we can't list that real numbers which are less than minus 3 in the set form. Okay, so we write that in the interval form. So how to write x less than or equal to minus 3? Less than or equal to symbol. For that you have to use a closed bracket. Okay, always you keep in mind that for slack inequalities, less than or equal to or greater than or equal to, for that you have to use a closed bracket. And for a strict inequality symbols, less than or greater than, you have to use a round bracket, that is open bracket. Now you have strict symbol, slack symbol, so you have to use a closed bracket on the minus 3 side. Here you have minus 3. Okay, if you continue on the left side of minus 3, you have minus infinity here. Okay, so you have to write a half open interval minus infinity to minus 3. Minus 3 side you have to use a closed bracket, because you have a slack inequality here, and always on the minus infinity side you have to use a open bracket. So this is the real number solution of this inequality, and you have to write like this, x belongs to this interval. Next, fourth problem. In the fourth problem also you have brackets. Okay, so you have to open that bracket by multiplying outside number into inside. Okay. Okay, so 3 into 2, 3 into 2, that is 6, 3 into minus 6, that is minus 3x. Use the same inequality symbol greater than or equal to. Now multiply outside number 2 inside. 2 into 1, that is 2, 2 into minus x, that is minus 2x. Now you have to see which side you have larger x term. You have minus 2x on the right side, that is larger. So to the right side, you have to shift the x terms. Okay, already minus 2x is there on the right side. With that, you have to write the minus 3x as a plus 3x on the right side. Okay, and the left side you have to shift the all numbers. Already 6 is there on the left side. With that, you have to write the 2 this side as minus 2. So 6 are already there. So without change, you have to write this plus 2 we are writing on the left side. So you have to write plus 2 this side as minus 2. We are shifting to this side as minus 2. Next inequality symbol, you have to write the same, and minus 2x already there on the right side, that also as it is without change, and minus 3x you have to shift another side as plus 3x. Now 3x minus 2x, that is what? That is 1x, we write that as x. And same inequality symbol you have to write, and here we have 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2, that simplifies to 4. I'll write this inequality in another way. 4 is greater than or equal to x. Writing like this is same as x less than or equal to 4. Okay. X side, which side of the symbol is there? Less than. Lesser side of the symbol is there. So here also you have like that. Okay. Same inequality I wrote in another way. I not divided or multiplied by a negative number. Just I wrote this inequality in another way. Okay. So if you write in this way, then easily you can write a interval form for this. Okay. How to write interval form? Just imagine you have a number line. Okay. And where is 4? 4 is to the right side of 0. Okay. And less than or equal to 4. Less than or equal to 4 means which side you have to see. Always you keep this also in your mind. Left side means lesser than symbol will be there, and right side means which is right side means you have greater than symbol. If you have greater than symbol, then you have to see right side. If you have less than symbol, then you have to see left side of a right number line. Okay. Now you have less than or equal to. Less than or less than or equal to. You have to see which side of the number line. You have to see left side of the number line. 4 less than or equal to 4 means 4 and less than that, equal to 4 and less than 4 means equal to 4 and less than that. If you continue on the left side, what you will get minus infinity. So how to write interval form for this minus infinity, where it ends with the 4. Okay, you have to write comma in between that and always minus infinity side open bracket, and 4 side which bracket you have to use. I already said for slack inequality, if you have slack inequality, you have to use closed or a square bracket like this. Okay, so this is the real number solution for the given inequality 4. Okay, next fifth one. Here what you have, again you have bracket outside that you have number. You have to multiply outside number into inside. Okay, here also you have to do the same. Outside 6 you have to multiply inside the bracket. Now 2 into 2x, 2 into 2x is 4x, 2 into 3 that is 6, 2 into plus 3 plus 6. Then minus 10 is there, that is separator. Okay, outside the bracket do multiply that to this. Okay, inside the bracket which terms are there, only to that terms you have to multiply this outside number, and minus 10 is a separate. Okay, that you have to write separately, and symbol you have to use the same, less than, and here 6 into x, 6x, 6 into minus 2, that is minus 12. Outside number you have to multiply to all numbers, all terms inside the bracket. Okay, so that we done here, and you simplify this expression a little bit. Okay, 4x, because here you have two numbers, so that reason you simplify this one. 6 minus 10, that is minus 4, and less than a symbol 6 minus 12. Okay, now you see which side you have larger x term. you have 6x, that is a larger x term. To that side, you have to shift this 4x, okay? To that side, you have to shift all x terms, and to another side, left side, you have to shift all numbers. Okay, already minus 4 is there. To that side, you have to shift the minus 12 as a plus 12. Okay. So now minus 4 I will write faster, and we are shifting minus 12 this side as a plus 12, and inequality symbol less than as it is, and the 6x already there on the right side, so without change you have to write. Now plus 4x, here you have plus 4x, we are shifting this side as a minus 4x, and 6x minus 4x is how much? That is 2x. Inequality symbol you have to carry same, less than, and here 12 minus 4, 12 minus 4, that is 8, okay, and here always the coefficient of x should be 1, or otherwise I will write this inequality in another way. Okay, 2x I will write this side, and 8 I will write this side, and 2x side, which side of the symbol is the greater side of the symbol is same, so you have to use a greater than symbol. Here I wrote this inequality in another way. Okay, inequality symbol is greater than here it is less than. Okay, 2x side the greater side is there, and 8 side smaller side is there. Okay, now you have to make a coefficient of x 1, but here you have into 2. To cancel that, what you have to do? You have to divide by 2 on both sides of inequality. If you divide by a positive number, inequality that remains as it is. Okay, so 2x dividing by 2 greater than 8 dividing by 2, and that gives you what? 2 to cancel here, 2 ones 2 4 times. So you will get x on the left side and greater than 4. X is greater than 4 means I'll do here. Suppose you have number line like this, 0 is here and 4 is on the right side of 0, and greater than symbol you have. Suppose you have greater than symbol, you have to see to the right side of that number. Okay, if you see to the right side of that number, and if you continue to the right side of 4, you have plus infinity, right? So from which number you have to start? From 4 you have to start. Okay, so you have to write down first number 4 in the interval, and where it ends up, that never ends up. So but that is on the positive side. The positive side you have to write a plus infinity, and you have to write comma in between that, and infinity side you have to write a open bracket, and fourth side which bracket you have to write. Since you have strict symbol here, you have to use a round bracket. Okay, so this is the solution of that inequality, and here you have to write x belongs to. X belongs to means belongs to this interval, means you can take any real number in this interval. Okay, that real numbers will be the solution of this inequality. Okay, thank you. You give a continuous number for problems. Okay, next problem in solving the inequalities for x. X plus x by 2 plus x by 3 less than 11. Suppose you have denominators like this. Suppose you have more than one denominator, then you have to take the LCM of these denominators. Okay, 2 and 3. LCM of 2 and 3 is what? That is 6. By that LCM, you have to multiply throughout the inequality. Okay, so now you have to multiply by 6. How we got this 6? That is the LCM of these denominators. Okay, LCM of these denominators is 6. So we are multiplying that LCM to these inequalities. Okay, so now 6 into x, what is 6 into x? That is 6x plus or otherwise I will write first as it is 6 into x by 2 plus 6 into x by 3. You have to multiply 6 to each and every term in this inequality. Next less than symbol as it is 6 into 11. Okay, this is not the pointer, this is into. Okay, now here you can simplify 2 ones 2 3 times, and here 3 ones 3 2 times. Okay, now 6x that plus 3 into x, that is 3x plus 2 into x, that is 2x, then less than 6 into 11, that is 66. Okay, now you have like terms here, add that all. 6 plus 3 9, 9 plus 2, that is 11, 11x that is less than 66. Okay, so now you have to keep only x on the left side, but here into 11 is there. To cancel that, you have to divide throughout this inequality by 11. Always x coefficient you have to make 1. Suppose the coefficient of x is other than 1, then you have to divide that by that same coefficient. Okay. Now into 11 is there, so by the same number you have to divide both sides of this inequality. So now 11x less than 66, you have to divide by 11 on both sides of this inequality. 11 by 11, that cancels. 11 once, 11 6 times. Okay. So x is less than 6. X less than 6 is on the number line you have 6 on the right side of 0. Less than 6 means which side you have to see? You have to see on the left side of 6, less than 6. As you continue on the left side, you will get minus infinity on the left side of 6. Okay. And how to write interval form minus infinity to minus 6. Okay. First number you have to write minus infinity, and next second number you have to write 6, and comma in between that. Always minus infinity side you have to use open bracket, and 6th side, which side 6th side, which symbol you have to, which bracket you have to use. See, less than symbol is there, strict symbol is there. Strict symbol means you have to use open bracket. So this is the solution of this inequality, and you have to write x belongs to this interval. Means any x, any real number you can take in this interval, that will be the solution of this inequality. Okay. Now here also you can see more than one denominator, 3 and 2. So you have to take LCM of that. 3 and 2 LCM is 6. So you have to multiply by 6 on both side of this inequality. Now 6 into x dividing by 3, symbol you have to carry same, and 6 into x by 2 plus 6. You have to multiply 6 to each and every term in that inequality. Now you simplify this. 3 ones 3 2 times, and 2 ones 2 3 times. Okay. Now 2 into x, that is 2x, and greater than symbol as it is you have to carry. 3 into x, that will be 3x, then plus 6 is there. And now you see which side you have larger x term. Here you have larger x term, that is on the right side. So to the right side you have to shift all x terms, and another side means left side you have to shift the numbers. Okay. So 3x already there on the right side, so without change you have to write 2x, you have to shift another side as minus 2x, and 6 we are shifting on the left side as a minus 6. Now you simplify 3x minus 2x, that is x, and symbol you have to carry same, and minus 6. Always while writing the solution you keep always x on the left side, but here you can see x is on the right side. So you just write this inequality in another way. So then you have x on the left side, x and minus 6. X I wrote this side, and minus 6 I wrote that side. And inequality symbol, you see lesser side of the symbol is there with the x. So here you have to use less than symbol. Now x less than minus 6 means you have to see to the left side of minus 6. Okay. Less than means always the first number will be minus infinity in the interval, and second number will be that. Okay. Minus 6. And since you have strict symbol, you have to use the open bracket, and minus infinity side I already said that you have to use the open bracket, and you have to write x belongs to, means any x you can take in this interval, that will be the solution of this inequality. Okay. Next problem is 3 into x minus 2 dividing by 5 less than or equal to 5 into 2 minus x dividing by 3. Now you can see more than one denominator you have 5 and 3. So what you have to do? You have to take LCM of 5 and 3 in mind. Okay. LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. So by that LCM you have to multiply throughout this inequality. So now you have to multiply by the LCM of these denominators, that is 15. Okay. So now 15 into this 3 into x minus 2 dividing by 5 less than or equal to, here also you have to multiply the same, 15 into this one as it is 5 into 2 minus x dividing by 3. Now 3 ones 3, how many times? 15, 5 times. and here 5 ones are 5 3 times. So outside what you have outside this bracket you have 3 into 3, that is 9. So that 9 you have to multiply inside this bracket. 9 into x that is 9x, 9 into 2 that is 18 with the minus sign and less than or equal to symbol. Here outside the bracket you have 5 into 5. What is 5 into 5? That is 15. Sorry, 5 into 5 that is 25. 25 that you have to multiply inside this bracket. Okay, 5 into 5, 25 into 2. 25 into 2 that is 50. Then the minus symbol, 25 into x that is 25x. Okay. Now x term is larger on the left side, so to that side you have to shift all x terms, that is minus 25x you have to bring to the left side, and to another side you have to shift the numbers. Okay, 50 already there on the right side, with that you have to write the minus 18 as plus 18. Okay, now 9x without change you have to write, then minus 25x this side as plus 25x less than or equal to 50 already there on the right side, so without change you have to write, and minus 18 another side as plus 18. Okay, and 25 plus 9, 25 plus 9 is 34, and these are x terms, so 34x you have to write, less than or equal to 50 plus 18, that is 68, and here x coefficient you have to make 1, but into 34 is there. To cancel that you have to divide by 34 on both sides. Okay, so you have like this 34x dividing by 34 less than or equal to 68 dividing by 34. 34 by 34 that cancels, 34 once, 34 2 times. So what you have, x is less than or equal to 2. Always if you have less than or equal to something, x less than or equal to something, then in the interval first number will be minus infinity and second number will be this one. Okay, that is 2, and minus infinity side you have to write a open bracket and 2 side, which is 2 side, which bracket you have to use, you have to see this symbol less than or equal to, slack inequality is there, so you have to write a closed bracket. Okay, if a slack inequality is there, you have to write a closed bracket on that number side. Okay, so this is the solution of this inequality. Next problem is 1 by 2 into 3x dividing by 5 plus 4 greater than or equal to 1 by 3 into x minus 6. Now you have 3 denominators, 2, 5 and 3. What is the LCM of these 3 numbers? More than one denominator you have. If you have more than one denominator, you have to take LCM of that denominators. 2, 5 and 3. LCM is what? LCM of these 3 is 30, right? 2 into 5, 10, 10 into 3, that is 30. Okay, that is the LCM. Now you have to multiply by 30 on both sides of this inequality. Now 30 into 1 by 2, this one as it is, 1 by 2 into 3x dividing by 5 plus 4 greater than or equal to 30 into 1 by 3 into x minus 6. Okay, and here are 2 ones, 2 15 times you can cancel, and 3 ones, 3 10 times you can cancel. Now you multiply outside number, 15 into 1 that is 15 inside of this bracket, and here 10 into 1 that is 10, you have to multiply inside the bracket. 15 into 3x dividing by 5 plus 15 into 4. Okay, and symbol greater than or equal to, and here 10 into x that is 10x, 10 into minus 6 that is minus 60, 10 into minus 6 that is minus 60, and here you can cancel 5 ones 5 3 times, and what is 3 into 3? 3 into 3 that is 9x, okay, 9x plus 15 into 4 that is 60 greater than or equal to 10x minus 60. Now x term is larger on which side? Larger on the right side. So to that side you have to shift all x terms, that is 9x you have to shift this side, and to another side you have to shift the numbers, minus 60 you have to shift on the left side as a plus 60. Already this 60 is there, without change you have to write, and this minus 60 left side as plus 60. and greater than symbol as it is you have to carry, and 10x already there on the right side without change. You have to write 9x, we are shifting another side. Okay. 10x, 9x another side as minus 9x. 10x minus 9x is 1x, that is x. Okay, and symbol greater than or equal to 60 plus 60, that is what? That is 120. And I'll write this inequality in another way. 120 greater than or equal to x. If you write this inequality in another way, you have x less than or equal to 120. Okay, x side you have smaller side of the symbol. So now x less than or equal to 120. If you have less than or equal to symbol, x less than or equal to something, then you have to write in the interval first number minus infinity and second number this one only. Okay, 120. And minus infinity side always open bracket, and you have to write comma in between that, and 120 side which bracket you have to use? You have to use closed bracket. Why? Because you have slack inequality. Okay, and you have to write at the end x belongs to this interval. This will be the solution of this inequality. Okay?
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.